What is our mission? We are here so that no worker in South Africa suffer in silence again. So that no employer abuse their power without accountability. So that every worker knows their rights, understand the law, and never face workplace battle alone again. Helping workers is not just a duty, it is our passion. Because every story of abuse we hear touches the same wounds we once suffered. What makes us different? We are not a union that will abandon you. We are not politicians. We are not here for power. We are here for you because we are you. The Spear of Workers was built by a worker for workers. We are a registered NPC, a paralegal and educational community movement. We guide you, we prepare you, we stand with you, and we do everything within the law to help you fight back, safely, legally, and powerful. And today you can join the Spear of Workers family through our membership program. Your membership is activated immediately, and your benefits start right away. Your monthly contribution only begins at the next month end. Membership levels. Basic membership, only 50 Rand per month. Unlimited workplace guidance, education, advisory support, and written case statement when trouble arises. Standard membership, 100 Rand per month. Everything in basic, plus document drafting, form fillings, CCMA referral assistant, and guided submissions. VIP membership, 150 per month. Everything in basic and standard, plus we accompany you in hearings, CCMA sessions, or workplace meetings as your supportive friend, helping you stay strong and confident. All membership include case follow-ups until your matter is concluded. What your contribution